Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a group on your Telegram's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete a group on Telegram, firstly go ahead and launch open your Telegram application on your device. The home page of Telegram will be displayed on the screen. From the home page, tap on the group you would want to leave. Now click on group's name. On the next page, tap on Leave Group option right next to Video Chat. From the pop-up, tap on Leave Group once again. Here to delete a group, before tapping on Leave Group option, tick mark on the box that says Delete the group for all the members and tap on Leave Group option. Once you do that, you'll be able to delete your group on your Telegram's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.